This is an overview of system adapters. Adapters are a packaged collection of views, functions, connections, files, and/or other objects for accessing, reading, writing, a specific system. Adapters are packaged as zip files that can be imported into the Designer. After import, the objects in the package show up as master data in the Designer. The Designer utilizes metadata defined in libraries throughout the product. Collections of metadata are packaged as adapters and made available by Missing Link technology. These adapters contain system-specific libraries that offer predefined views, functions, and maps for using specific systems. As you can see here, when an adapter is loaded, it creates records on the Master Designer screen of the Designer. Adapters for some systems contain collections of views and functions necessary for common integration tasks, while adapters for other systems may contain only views if the system does not require function to update or transform data. In this example, we see adapters are loaded for several disparate systems. Adapters also provide a consistent view of data for a given system. Here, for example, is one view provided by the Dynamics AX adapter of production order information in a Dynamics AX ERP system. Adapters contain many views for gathering and updating data in their respective systems. Using these standardized views and functions provided by the adapters allows you to work with data in a consistent and repeatable way, regardless of the implementation. The Designer comes with a custom view designer that lets you create and edit views to match your particular needs. This is important because even though adapters provide a collection of views for you to use, there is often the need to customize those views to add additional information or to create new views to accommodate different business needs. The custom view designer is a powerful interface which makes this easy and intuitive. Adapters contain not just collections of views, but collections of functions as well. Functions that are packaged with adapters give you powerful access to common features within the system being targeted by the adapter. The highlighted function shows a method that makes a Dynamics AX API call to import order data. These methods can be referenced and invoked as is in maps made in the Designer. However, these functions can also be edited and extended using Visual Studio. Visual Studio is bundled with the Designer, and the Designer provides seamless integration between its interface and the Visual Studio IDE. This image shows a portion of the Dynamics AX functions included with the Dynamics AX adapter. These functions include system-specific methods for transforming data, as well as methods that leverage system API calls for importing data. Clicking on a function brings up a preview on the left side of the screen. Clicking on the Edit in Visual Studio button brings up the Visual Studio IDE with the editing cursor at the current function. Adapters provide predefined data maps that can be used as is to integrate data, but can also be customized and extended to meet your integration needs. API calls within adapter packaged functions make it simple to connect a data map to an API implementation or method call. The data map in this example is part of the Dynamics AX adapter and is used to gather information and pass it to a function included with the adapter, which in turn invokes the Dynamics AX API to update data in the Dynamics AX ERP system. Adapters provide a layer of abstraction over the data being read and written, pre-built method calls for updating data into the target system, a consistent interface for reading, writing, and manipulating data, pre-built access to common views, functions, and mappings, a turnkey solution for simplistic integration scenarios, or a great starting point for more advanced scenarios requiring customization.